Shalom to all. Shalom, family. I felt it was best to do a video update because the video would reach more subscribers. The community updates are not reaching enough subscribers. Also, not too many subscribers are aware of the community section on Open Diaries channel. To the subscribers that are not aware of the community section or do not know how to navigate to the community section, on Open Diaries channel page, there are several tabs. There is the home, video, playlist, community, channel, and about tab. Next to the playlist tab is the community tab. The community tab is where I update subscribers about this channel, global news, Sabbath messages, and various topics. Anything I need to bring to your attention that is not in a video format, I will post on the community tab. Please get familiar with the community section on this channel. Also, make sure your notifications are set to receive all notifications. If your notifications are not set to receive all, when I post to the community and publish new content, you will not receive notification. YouTube already restricts this channel's visibility. Not turning on your notification would make it impossible to receive updates. So please turn your notification on and select to receive all notifications. I would like to thank everyone who prayed and continue to uplift my family and me in continuous prayers. Thank you. The subscribers who checked on me via Instagram, email, even through Wisdom T's website. Thank you. My family and I is taking the passing of my brother one day at a time. His passing is difficult for the entire family, especially my parents. My brother and I were close. Therefore, this wound cuts deep. The Most High has been amazing in helping my family, my sisters, and me through this transition. I will not go into detail about his passing. I would like to keep it private. However, I will say the coronavirus had nothing to do with my brother's passing. I will continue to fulfill my calling with Open Diary. Just know that if you do not see a video from me or updates on the channel, know that I will be back and I would never walk away from the mission the Most High gave me. This channel will be here for as long as the Most High wants it to be here. With that being said, I would like to inform the subscribers of the official return of Open Diary. The weekly Sabbath messages will resume Saturday, July 18th at 10 a.m. I look forward to seeing everyone. We will continue right where we left off. I am moving forward, and let us continue in what we started together. Again, I would like to thank you all for your prayers, encouraging words of wisdom, and your understanding. In addition, giving me the opportunity to get myself together to better serve you. I am not going to make this long. Saturday, July 18th at 10 a.m., Open Diary resume. Okay, family, I will end it here. Shalom.